Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Railroad 82, your railroad archaeologist. So today I have a couple special announcements for you guys. The first one, from now to the end of the year, I'm gonna start uploading videos on Wednesdays as well as Sundays, like I did before. I'm gonna see if I can keep up with the demand. I'm still trying to get to comments that were there from when my channel was hijacked. So bear with me, guys. But I'll get to them slowly but surely. And secondly, we're not gonna get into the part of the CSX Homestead Subdivision where the weeds and vegetation are starting to take over the rails, and it's barely noticeable. So yeah, it's a little bit more heartbreaking than the first few videos you saw. It starts to get real deep now. Right, guys? Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. My 4-year anniversary is coming up. I'm gonna work on a best of video, best of Railroad 82. So stay tuned for that. Always a pleasure. Leave me a comment, guys. Sub if you have it. Take care. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Railroad 82 here, your humble railroad archaeologist, your humble servant. So today we are at the fourth stop along the abandoned CSX Homestead Subdivision, and this is Southwest 200th Street. Here you can see they've removed the gate and the lights, maybe even the bell. Yeah, it's a sad looking crossing. It's funny, it says do not stop on tracks. Why, is the ghost train gonna run over me? Let's get serious, come on. Okay, so Safe Tran signal base, Safe Tran gate mechanism. Here you see the dot tag. It'd be funny to call that number and report a malfunction, right? Track view northeast, or should I just say view, northeast view, because you can't see any tracks here. Yeah. Something tried to, you can see some tracks here. And then relay case. Relay case has no power to it. This is, you can see my baby over there, and you can see the dismantled crossing. Take a walk over here just so you guys can see. Northeast, yep. Built by Seaboard Airline in 1926. Oh, here you can see Quail Roost Drive. So I'm gonna include a Google Maps link to this location. And in Google Maps, you guys can probably see previous years and when it was in its heyday. Go ahead and cross. So, yeah, look at that. Truly heartbreaking, guys. I can't get near that signal on the other side for obvious reasons. Do not want to get stung by a water moccasin is one of them. Here the lights have also been removed, the gates, Safe Tran gate mechanism, GSI gate bracket. Be funny to see if school bus drivers stop at this crossing. Probably so, because it's not marked otherwise. But right, you guys, let me know what you think. Please subscribe. If you haven't, leave me a comment. Take care. Bye-bye.